Arrange the following decimal numbers in ascending order. Ascending means lowest to highest. First check out before the point which number is lowest. 0. So this number will be the first number. So which option has this number? C. Any other option has the same number? No. So C is the answer. Don't look at anything else now, because that will be the correct answer. Here, now I have changed the options. Both have the same option in the first number. Now second number. So this number is gone. Cut this number. Now second number. After the point, which is the lowest number after the point? Here 0.0, 0.2, 0.6. So 0.0 is the lowest. So second number is 2.06. Now again both have the same options. Now next. Now between these two, after the point which has the lowest number, 0.6 and 0.2. So 0.2 is the lowest number. So this will come as a third number. So C is the option. And last one will be D. Sorry, last one will be 2.6. So correct answer is C.